Sometimes survival begins long before the fall.
Pulling power back. Come on, baby. Keep climbing. Don't quit on me.
When the machine dies, silence becomes the loudest scream. In a single heartbeat, the sky spits you out to the mercy of the earth. He wakes to a world that no longer wants him alive. Predators don't hunt for hunger, they hunt for weakness. Every step is a prayer that the next one won't be the last.
Keep moving.
He runs out of ground and climbs into the arms of fear itself. Survival has no allies. Even the branches bite.
Easy. Easy now.
Gravity reminds him that no height is safe when death waits below. He trades teeth for water, claws for current. The river hides monsters older than fear. He learns that water can hunt too. The flood carries him like a leaf between life and nothing. The world slows to a crawl, every breath thick with decay. From above, he is just a dot, proof that nature forgets quickly. Even the sky joins the hunt. When the heavens weep, the earth burns back. He climbs not to escape death, but to watch it surround him. No path forward. No way back. Between fire and flood, he finds the truth. Survival is motion. Hands pull him from the storm, not as a man saved, but as one returned. the chain of survival. Because in the wild, every escape begins another.